design enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Wall Curtains. Today we're diving into the world of TV showcase design for modern homes. Whether you're looking to refresh your living room or starting from scratch, we've got detailed and easy to implement ideas that will transform your space. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things home design. Let's jump in. 1. Sleek and streamlined designs. Our first design concept is all about sleek and streamlined aesthetics. Opt for minimalist TV units with clean lines to create a contemporary look. Choose a sleek, wall-mounted TV unit with hidden storage to keep things clutter-free. 2. Multifunctional TV showcases. Next up, let's talk about the importance of functionality. Choose a TV showcase that serves multiple purposes. Look for units with adjustable shelving or hidden storage to keep your space organized and versatile. This not only enhances the design but also adds practicality to your living room. 3. Integrating technology. In the age of smart homes, integrating technology into your TV showcase is a must. Invest in a smart TV with seamless cable management solutions. This not only enhances your entertainment experience but also contributes to the modern aesthetic of your living room. 4. Statement pieces and accent features. For those who love a touch of personality, consider making your TV showcase a statement piece. It's a great way to infuse your style into the space. 5. Floating TV showcases. For those who love a sense of space, floating TV showcases are a great option. Wall-mounted units or floating shelves not only look stylish but also create the illusion of a larger living room. It's a perfect solution for smaller spaces. 6. Open shelving and display. Open shelving is a trend that's here to stay. Consider TV showcases with open shelving to display curated collections, art, or family photos. It not only adds a personalized touch but also creates an inviting atmosphere in your living room. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to modern TV showcase design ideas for your home. I hope you found inspiration for your next project. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips. Happy designing!